Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two. Just yesterday, I made a video on this. A new way to do this. I've made this before, but I was really unhappy with this right here with these lines or at an angle because I just couldn't reduce the nodes. So I'm not going to show how we created this because that's in part one. But I filled that in, and then the whole time I'm nudging and never moving. So I'm going to nudge that back, nudge that out of the way a little bit more. And I'm going to left click, right click. Now, you can already see that this thing has, well, let's do this. Too many nodes. Let's select that corner node and right click, break it apart. Select that, right click, break it apart. Then you've got to take your pick tool and select the whole thing. And then let's move this one out of the way. And if we look with the shape tool, there are 5 nodes. You cannot just start deleting nodes because it's going to get it out of shape. But we can select it all, go up here to reduce nodes, and just go about to 34. Now I only have 3 nodes. Now while we're here, let's do the same thing. We have 5 nodes. We can type in 35%. And now we only have 4. And if we look right now, this is going up, this is going down. So I'm going to right click and reverse the subpath so the blend will work. Put those back, go up to effects and blend, and we'll blend them that 33 times. And now the lines are more perfect. Almost, well, I think they are perfect. Now I got to break the blend apart. Go ahead and group it together, Control G, Control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center, and rotate it that 180 degrees, and we have a perfect specimen that we can be more proud of. I mean, I tried 10 different options. I tried, drawing an ellipse. And if you look, an ellipse only has 1 node. Till you convert it to a curve, and now it's going to have 4 nodes. But even if you don't convert it to a curve, I was taking a straight line and cutting that, and evidently cutting that turns it into a curve, and I got the 4 nodes. So this is much, much better. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.